Good morning, students. How are you? Okay, so today we are going to study healthy and junk food. Okay, so today we are going to study healthy and junk food. Now let's see. We also eat snacks in the between our meals. Okay, snacks like a chips, burger, pizza, and cold drinks are not good for our health. These are junk food. We should not eat junk food. Okay, dear students, we should not eat junk food. Okay, junk food is always uh, not good for our health. Okay, so we have to keep it in mind the food which we eat in the between the two meals, like lunch to dinner. In a between there are some meals we eat. Okay, they are called junk food. Like even many of us, we like to drink cold drinks when we get hot, when we get hot. Okay, so we like to eat, but that is not good. Okay, so childrens, we have to keep it in mind the food which is not good for our health, they are called junk food. Now we should eat healthy food. Fruits like apples, bananas are good for our health. We have to always eat a healthy food. Okay, healthy food, especially to the fruits. All types of fruit, whatever the fruits are there in a market, they all types of the fruits, they are good for our health. Okay, so we should not eat that junk food, but we have to eat, instead of that we have to eat healthy food. Okay, so now let's go to the study about the vegetarians and non-vegetarian. Okay, what is vegetarian and what is non-vegetarian? Look at here. People who eat eggs, meat, and fish are called non-vegetarians. Okay, people who eat eggs, meat, and fish are called non-vegetarians. Look at this picture. Okay, here we can see that the fish is there, chicken is there, cubs is there. So who eat these things, they are called non-vegetarian. Especially the person who eat flesh of other animal, they are called non-vegetarians. Okay, now let's see what is what is vegetarian. Okay, people who eat only vegetables are called vegetarian. Okay, they do not eat eggs, meat, and fish. The person who eat only vegetables, they are called vegetarians. They don't eat others flesh of animals. Okay, so we have to keep it in mind what is the difference between vegetarian and non-vegetarian. Vegetarians only eat the vegetables, and non-vegetarians, they eat the flesh of other animal. Okay, so this one is the basic that we have to keep it in mind. And you can see here that she is a vegetarian. How? Why? Because she is taking only the fruits and vegetables. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay, so balanced diet means when we need to eat a little of all the food items in order to remain fit and healthy. Meals which include all the food groups, raw haze and water in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Balanced diet means we have to take right amounts of all types of food. We should not take only the energy giving food. We should not take only the bodybuilding food. We should not take only the protective food items. Okay, we have to take not only we should not take only the roughage fruits. Okay, we should not only drink water. So we have to take all the in a right amount. Okay, right amount of food we have to take, that is called balanced diet. Okay, now look at this picture. This is the sign of balanced diet. You can find all types of fruits food items here. Okay, so now let's go to the next one, and now that is good eating habit. Dear student, we should follow good and healthy eating habits. Okay, so uh, if we do not have good eating habits, then we might harm our body. Okay, we may face different types of the illness. Okay, so it is better to protect our body. Okay, so we have to follow the good eating habits. Now let's see what are there. Wash your hand before and after meal. Look at this picture. Okay, we have to wash our hand before and after every meal. Okay, so now the second one is chew your food well and eat slowly. We should not rush for eating. Okay, we should not, because we are not for the competition. Okay, so we have to eat slowly and we have to chew our food. Okay, we have to make it a paste in our mouth. Okay, so it is a good habit. Okay, we have to chew our food well and right way and eat slowly. And number third is do not overeat. I know many of you like to eat a lot of things, this one, that one. Okay, but that is not good. We have to eat as much we can. Okay, so we should not eat over, because we have to take all types of food. Okay, and now number fourth is do not eat uncovered food. I know there are many food sales in a market, they do not cover the food. Okay, they do not packed. We should not eat the food which is unpacked or uncovered. So that types of food we should not eat. Okay, that is the fourth good habits, eating habits. Okay, and number fifth is do not eat food that is cut and stored for a long period. Yes, there are many in a market. If you go, they cut the fruits and they sell. Okay, so that one we should not eat. And also we like to keep that foods in our refrigerator for a long time. If we eat after a long time, it may lose its quality. Okay, it is better to always have a habit to eat a fresh food, not a long period kept food. Okay, and then the number 6 is never waste food. Take as much as you need on your plate. Remember, there are many people who do not get enough food to eat. Yes, children, there are many people in the world till now they do not have food. We have all types of food. When we ask to food, I want this one, then our parents bring it. Okay, but remember, we should not waste that food. Okay, what the food we have to take as much as we can eat, not more just wasting the food. Okay, we have to always keep it in mind. There are many people, children are there in the world, around the globe. Okay, they are dying lack of food. Okay, so we have to keep it this 5 point. Wash your hand before and after every meal. Chew your food well and eat slowly. Do not overeat. Do not eat uncovered food. Do not eat food that is cut and stored for a long period. Never waste food. Take as much as you need on your plate. Remember, there are many people who do not have enough food to eat. Okay, so students, we have to keep it in mind. Okay, now quick once more we review what we have studied in this class. Food gives us energy to work and play. It helps grow our body to grow. So this is the quick we have already studied, and we get food from both plants and animals. We have already studied the main source of our foods are the plants and the animals, and there are three types of the main foods we already studied. There are three main types of food groups: energy giving food, body building food, and the protective food. Okay, and the number 4, we should eat balanced diet. Just now we have studied we should eat balanced diet. We should follow good food eating habits to stay healthy. Yes, students, if we do not follow the good eating habits, that we may harm our body or we may lose healthy life. Okay, so to stay healthy, we have to follow the good eating habits. Okay, student, so we have almost we cover our class. Okay, we have completed our first lesson, so I will send you the homework in your text in a WhatsApp group. So do it and send it to me in my personal number. Don't send in group. If you send in group, then I am not going to check. Okay, so you have to send me your answer in my personal number, so I will text you in WhatsApp. Okay, okay, students, bye. Bye, stay safe. Okay, stay in home. Okay, bye bye.